One afternoon, Apple was driving around the city, looking for a place to park. She felt a little nervous as she held the steering wheel and looked at the street signs. She slowly looked around and said, "Can I park here?" When we use can, we usually talk about ability or possibility. In this situation, Apple is asking if it is possible for her to park in that spot. Orange looked at the street signs and spoke in a serious voice. She reminded Apple that she must follow road safety rules. She also warned her that if she did not follow the rules, she could get a heavy fine. We use must to express obligation or strong necessity. It means something is required and very important. Just then, Apple noticed a big sign that said no parking. Her eyes widened, and she quickly realized that she could not park there. When we say cannot or can't, we often show prohibition. It means something is not allowed. So Apple decided to keep driving. A few moments later, she found a legal parking space. She let out a big sigh of relief and happily said that now she could park safely. Here, can again shows possibility. Now it is possible for her to park. After parking the car, Apple smiled at Orange and asked politely if she might have dinner together that night. We use may when we want to ask for permission in a polite way. It sounds more formal and respectful. Orange smiled back and said that it sounded great, but they should attend class first. We use should to give advice. It means something is a good idea, even if it is not required. So today we learned that can expresses ability or possibility, must expresses obligation, cannot shows prohibition, may asks for permission, and should gives advice. Because Apple and Orange used their modal verbs correctly, everything worked out perfectly. They followed the rules, spoke politely, and kept everyone happy. That is the power of modal verbs. One after